the question on why multi-assets are also doing well also arose from the fact that, typically or traditionally one would think is that gold is a safe haven asset. There are geopolitical risks around the world, and maybe that's why, and of course a lot of countries buying gold as well, piling up on that in fact, which is why gold would be doing what it's doing right now. But then what explains the risk on mode in equities?
Well, gold's a funny asset. It's very difficult for an asset manager like me because the way I typically think is anything that has a discounted cash flow I can value, and gold, inherently doesn't. As you alluded to, I think a lot of the rise in the gold price is Russia and China and other central banks buying so much gold. I think it's been a very overcrowded trade. What it is not indicating is a concern about inflation, because that's not reflected in other markets. It's not really even showing geopolitical destabilization. So it's an odd situation. I think we're living in a world where the money supply is increased, and so it kind of makes sense that gold adjusts for that in some way. But the real thing I would say is gold doesn't seem to be the diversifier that it has traditionally been.